Why does my outdoor AC unit make loud noises? Your outdoor AC unit usually makes loud noises because something inside is loose, dirty, worn out, or breaking down, and the fix depends on which type of noise you are hearing. Think of your outdoor unit like the heart of your cooling system, sitting outside and working hard every single day. Inside that metal box are a fan, a compressor, and a bunch of coils and pipes that move heat away from your home. When you hear rattling, it usually means a screw, bolt, or panel has come loose from all that vibration over time. A high-pitched squealing sound often points to a fan motor bearing that is drying out and needs oil or replacing. A loud buzzing can mean loose electrical parts or even a failing capacitor, which is basically a small part that gives your compressor and fan the jolt of power they need to start up. If you hear a deep grinding or banging sound, that is a bigger red flag since it often means something inside the compressor itself is damaged. Something a lot of people do not know is that leaves, sticks, and even acorns can fall down into the unit and get hit by the fan blades, causing sudden loud clanking. Walking outside once a month just to look inside the top grill can catch this early before it turns into an expensive repair. One common mistake homeowners make is ignoring a new noise for weeks, hoping it goes away on its own, when catching it early almost always saves money. Another big misconception is thinking that turning the unit off and on again will fix a grinding or banging sound, but that kind of noise usually means a part is already failing and needs a real inspection. People also forget to clean around the unit, letting dirt, grass, and debris build up against the coils, which makes the whole system work harder and louder than it should. A simple tip is to keep at least 2 feet of clear space around your unit and gently hose off the coils every few months to keep things running quiet and smooth. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app called Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.